So hello to everyone, good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you watch this video. Tonight I went to sleep earlier and the telephone waked me around 3:30 in the morning. It was almost 4, 3:50, and I was alerted that over my phone via an application that was a strong earthquake in the southern Iran. So I woke up and I put my clothes on me and I went to see what's going on with this earthquake. It was 5.2 in southern Iran, and I'm going to show you something amazing. I mean, this is a really interesting earthquake which proves a lot of things that I've been saying for so many times now. Now let me show you this earthquake occurred at 2:33, which is 3:33. 3:33 in Croatian time. So let me show you this. This is the 3:33. This is the southern Iran, and this is the epicenter, the hit place. And this is the Comet Garrard C 2010 E1. Now let me show you something. The earthquake was in 3:33. That is 6:39 minutes after. And I was wondering how this is possible. This is a very long period until this hit the ground, because as you can see, the comet was very near to the epicenter. I mean, very close. So what does it take 40 minutes for this comet to discharge its plasma to the epicenter? So I went to see, I take a look, what is the distance of the comet, and whoa, et voila, what's this? 18 astronomical units, people, 18 astronomical units. This is justify the time that this arrived to the epicenter. Of course, this is a lie about the astronomical units, about the distance. This is all another measure, but I just want to show you how much more far away from other comets this comet was. And now let me show you something. Oh, this is not all. Let me show you something, just a moment. Oh, so now angular separation. Garrard hit place 0.52 minutes. 0.52 minutes. Okay? So this is no any mistake. This is 90-degree rules. And look where it was. It was above the hit place, almost above the hit place. And it takes 14 minutes to arrive from here to here, because this is not so close as it looks, because this one is this distance is very big from the comet till the ground. This distance is not small. This one is small, I mean. But this is the epicenter. So it takes 40 minutes to pass so-called 18 astronomical units to hit the ground. 40 minutes, I mean 39 minutes. Yes, 39 minutes. This is incredible. I was so shocked when I saw that this Garrard was so close to the epicenter, and I said, okay, this is justify and prove that this is a very strong earthquake. Okay, 5.2, it's a very strong earthquake. Don't think that this is something, weak or something. It's not. This is very powerful earthquake. And here we got very small distance, but in effect this distance it's very let's see that here is the epicenter. This distance is very long, so that's why so-called comet, it takes 40 minutes to arrive in the epicenter. Awesome, awesome. So let me tell you that I discovered something very, very important yesterday, and thanks to the guy whose name is Frank Hugerbilt, whatsoever. He's got an earthquake channel, and he is very good. He's doing this according to the planetary alignment, and in his video he mentioned the angle of 135 degrees. Well, that is very strange angle for me, so I went to see what is this. In fact, 35 degrees, it's a 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. That means that the 45 degrees, it's entering in the calculation. And from now on I will take care of this. But there is something more I'd like to show, because now I have new angles, and incredible thing has happened. I must show you this. Let me show you this. I mean, this is really something, and I must show you this. Just a moment. So this is, look at that here. So these are the angles, angular separation: 0, 45, 90 degree, 130, 180, 225, 270, 350 to 60. And now look how correspondent these angles, how corresponding to the phase of the moon. 0, it's a dark moon. 45, 11%. 90, 21%. 135, 33%. This is the phase of the moon. 180 degrees, 55%. 225, 67%. 270, 79%. 315, 89%, and 360 is a full moon. So these are the phases. These are my phases that I selected, which are responsible for all strong earthquakes in these days, in these lunar days. And these are, take a look now, these are the 90-degree rules which completely match all these phases from 0 to 360 degrees. And let me tell you something else. Now you said the 45 degrees is not 90 angle degrees. Oh yes it is. Oh yes it is. Because when you put two straight lines in the space, let me show you this. Let me show you this. This is something very important, and I must show you this. So when you have, for example, one direction which is like this, and you have another direction which goes under the 45% like this. I don't know if this is the 45, okay, it doesn't matter. Let's say this is the 45. Then this is the 90-degree rules. Why? Because in oblique projection, projection, this is the 90 degrees angle. Now can you imagine that this is laying on the plane, okay, that this is a little bit bended down. This is the 90 degrees rule. This is the 90 degrees angle in oblique projection. Fantastic. So this guy helped me a lot with this 135 degrees, because now I can explain any earthquake which I cannot explain until now, because I didn't take I didn't consider that these also are entering in this calculation. So each phase of the moon got its angle, and this is fantastic. So thank you very much and stay tuned.